Once upon a time in the bustling city of Havenfield, there was a young man named Alex. He had a decent job, a cozy apartment, and a never-ending love for spontaneous adventures. Every payday, Alex would treat himself to fancy dinners, impulsive shopping sprees, and weekend getaways. But as the month dragged on, he found himself nervously checking his bank balance, wondering where all his money had gone. One evening, as Alex sat in his favorite cafe sipping on an overpriced latte, his phone buzzed with a notification. His rent was due in 3 days, and his account was nearly empty. Panic set in. How did it come to this? He was earning enough, yet he always seemed to be broke by the end of the month. It was a harsh wake-up call. Feeling desperate, Alex remembered his old friend Lisa, who always seemed to have her finances in perfect order. He decided to pay her a visit, hoping she could help him out of his mess. When Alex arrived at Lisa's apartment, he was greeted by the scent of freshly brewed coffee and the sight of neatly stacked financial books on her coffee table. Lisa welcomed him with a warm smile, sensing the urgency in his eyes.
Lisa, I'm in trouble. I can't seem to manage my money, and I'm always running out before the month ends. I don't know how to fix it.
Alex, what you need is a budget.
A budget? Isn't that just a boring list of numbers?
It's much more than that. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Let me show you how to create one from scratch. First, list out your income. Write down exactly how much money you bring in each month.
Alex did as she instructed, feeling a bit more in control already.
Write down all your fixed expenses. Rent, utilities, insurance, and so on. These are the non-negotiables that you have to pay every month.
As Alex jotted down his expenses, he began to see where his money was going.
Now, we move on to variable expenses: groceries, dining out, entertainment. This is where you have the most control. Allocate a realistic amount for each category, but be honest with yourself.
Alex hesitated as he wrote down his spending habits. Seeing the numbers on paper made him realize just how much he was overspending on unnecessary things.
Finally, set aside some money for savings and emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can save you from panic and stress.
Alex looked at his newly crafted budget. It wasn't as intimidating as he thought. In fact, it felt empowering. For the first time, he had a clear picture of his finances.
The key is to stick to it, Alex. Your budget is like a promise to yourself. A promise that you'll be financially responsible and prepared for whatever life throws your way.
As Alex left Lisa's apartment that night, he felt a sense of relief and determination. He realized that creating a budget wasn't just about numbers, it was about taking control of his life. From that day on, he followed his budget diligently, and the days of living paycheck to paycheck became a thing of the past. And so, in the heart of Havenfield, Alex found not just financial stability, but a new sense of confidence, knowing that he could face the future with a plan in hand and a promise kept to himself. Thanks for watching Z's Finance Fix. Like, subscribe and share.